Ever wondered how businesses handle thousands of customer queries without human agents? It's a fascinating process that happens behind the scenes. The secret is AI-powered chatbots. These intelligent systems can manage and respond to customer inquiries efficiently. In this video, we'll walk you through creating your own customer service chatbot using Python, one of the most popular programming languages. Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, stay tuned for a step-by-step guide that will make the process easy and fun. First, define what your chatbot will do. Will it handle FAQs, process orders, or troubleshoot issues? The goal determines the chatbot's capabilities. For this tutorial, we'll create a simple FAQ chatbot to assist customers in a retail store. Now, let's set up our environment. Open your terminal and install the necessary Python libraries using pip install NLTK transformers OpenAI. We'll use NLTK for text processing, transformers for AI-powered responses, and OpenAI's API for smart replies. Now, let's train our chatbot. This is an exciting step where we bring our virtual assistant to life. We'll use a predefined set of questions and responses, ensuring our chatbot can handle common queries efficiently. Alternatively, we can integrate advanced AI models like GPT for more dynamic and intelligent answers, making the chatbot more versatile. Here's a simple rule-based setup to get started. Python copy edit from nltk.chat.util import chat, reflections pairs =, hi hello, how can I assist you today? What is your return policy? You can return items within 30 days of purchase. Bye, goodbye, have a great day. Chatbot =, chat pairs reflections. Chatbot.converse. Run this code and your chatbot will start responding to queries. It's that simple to create a basic chatbot. To make our chatbot more intelligent and responsive, we can integrate OpenAI's GPT API for dynamic and context-aware responses. Instead of relying on a traditional rule-based system, you can enhance your chatbot by replacing it with this simple code snippet Python copy edit import OpenAI def chat with GPE prompt. Media, screen showing Python code, developer typing Python script, computer screen with API integration code. Response =, =, model =, GPT-4 messages role user content prompty. Return response choices, 0. Message content print chat with GP, what is your refund policy? By integrating this API, the chatbot can generate more human-like and natural responses, significantly improving the overall customer experience and satisfaction. This not only makes interactions smoother, but also more engaging for users, providing them with accurate and timely information. And there you have it, a fully functional customer service chatbot using Python. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.